Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to cook masar muror ghonto, also known as muri ghonto, which is basically a fish head recipe prepared with yellow lentils. This traditional fish head recipe is quite popular in Bengal, Assam and Orissa. However, since I am from the northeast, I am going to show you how to prepare the Assamese version, where the preparation is significantly different from the other two. And now let's check out the ingredients. Fish head, yellow lentils or moong dal, onions, bay leaf, turmeric powder, cumin powder, salt, mustard oil, green chilies and pachforon or Indian 5 spice. Now let's start cooking our masar muror ghonto. First of all, take a pressure cooker, add your soaked yellow lentils and water and let it boil up to 4 whistles. Once done, keep aside. Now heat oil in a pan. Once hot, add your fish head, which I have made it into 2 pieces. Turmeric powder and salt. Fry it on a medium flame for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown on both sides. Take it off the pan and keep aside. Now in the same pan, add your pachforon and bay leaf. Saute it for a minute. Add your finely chopped onions and split green chilies. Stir fry them on a low flame until the onions are cooked. Add your fried fish head, cumin powder, turmeric powder and salt as per taste. Fry it until the head breaks into pieces. Now it's time to add your boiled yellow lentils. Stir them well together and continue until they are combined, and this should take about 5 minutes on a medium flame. Add 2 cups of water. Cook them further for 10 minutes. If you like it little runny, add more water. However, I like mine slightly thick. Here you go, our Masor Muror Ghonto is ready. Our Masor Muror Ghonto has a perfect yellow color and the fragrance is really inviting, and now it's time for me to try it. The gravy is thick, and as I have mentioned earlier that I love mine this way. However, you can add more water and boil it for about 5 to 10 minutes if you like it runny. The gravy is quite spicy. I just love chewing on these bones. It has this beautiful flavor from the fish and also the sweetness coming through from the fish, which you can really taste it as you eat. We generally have this Masor Muror Ghonto with steamed rice, which I have kept it here. So probably I'm going to try after this morsel. Guys, do you also like the jelly texture that you get in the fish head just like me? And I'm quite good at chewing these bones. I'm going to park it on my plate and have it with steamed rice now. Switching sides. Wow. This is so comforting, and I'm sure you'll feel delighted as you try it. So whenever you get any kind of fish with a big head, do try out this recipe, and I'm sure you're gonna love it just like us. It's just too good. So let me know in the comments if you have enjoyed watching this recipe. Also, kindly consider hashtagging me on Instagram as Snigdha's Bioscope if you are trying out any of my recipes. Also, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and see you soon.